Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. I'm shooting this vid with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let me know how everything looks. And let me know the audio quality as well, because I am not mic'd in. When I'm using the LG V20, I typically am mic'd in. But these days, with smartphones, the audio quality is getting better when it comes to certain specific devices. Not all devices, not all smartphones, but there are some that you couldn't tell the difference if you were mic'd in or not. So let me know how everything sounds and how everything looks. I wanted to talk about the dongle. This little guy right here, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Killer device. Having lots of fun with the 7 Pro. A lot of goodness going on here. But this little guy does not come in the box. You do get a case, but I would have gladly given up the case to have one of these in the box. Now this is my OnePlus 6T dongle, which is, you know, kind of weird that they did not include the dongle in the box. 700 smacks, even at 500 smacks, even at 400. I think if you're going to take away the headphone jack, smartphone companies out there doing that to their smartphones need to include one of these in every box. I got my Google Pixel 2 XL dongle. I got my HTC U11 dongle. And my Razer phone dongle. I got 4 dongles here. I uploaded a video reviewing this case right here. I'll leave a link down below in the description area for my Razer phone. Really nice bumpers to protect this beautiful, sexy, bold device. I was talking about a dongle that would be compatible with the OnePlus 7 Pro, but there are many out there that, here's the thing, you're going to have to just go on blind faith, do your homework, read some information on the web, watch some videos on YouTube, and then when you decide whatever it is you're going to bring in, you better hope it works. It's going to, like with this one right here that I talked about in the other video, that's not the exact picture that I used in that specific video where I talked a little bit about the dongle. But I went to this picture here of that specific dongle that I told you I was going to purchase and bring in. And if you wanted to wait for me to review it first before you went out and spent your own money, let me spend my money. But it gives a list of devices here that it's compatible with, and it mentions the OnePlus 6T right there, and it doesn't actually mention it down here, but there's a bunch of other devices here that it mentions. Now, if it's compatible with the 6T, it should be compatible with the OnePlus 7 Pro, and that's where you got to do your homework. But yeah, it could be a hit and miss, and you could run into a lot of them that actually work. Well, I was curious to make sure that my OnePlus 6T dongle did work with my OnePlus 7 Pro. And I'm still going to bring in those dongles, so if you want to wait for that review, you can wait, or down below in the description area, you can hit the link and you can go order yourself, or you can leave some information down below in the comment section and let me and all those that come to watch this video look at the information that you leave if there's something that you know will work, so we can have options, other options. Options are always great. So yeah, leave some links down below in the comment section. So I'm going to plug this in. And then I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to go to free music. Let me go to... Got some free music I was listening to here. And then what I want to do is play the free music and make sure that it's all the way up. So I'm wired in to my Cohen headphones. And you can hear that. So this little guy works. But I was really curious to see if my Google Pixel 2 XL dongle worked. And check it out. It works. Look for the volume buttons. Right here. I think that's all the way up. Wait. There we go. All right. So the Google Pixel 2 dongle works. Oop, bumpy cam. Shout out to J Will. HTC U11. Does that dongle work? Let's find out. So if you have any of these dongles laying around, they're going to work with your OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is where I personally don't think there's going to be an issue with finding a dongle over at Amazon that should work. At least look for the wording OnePlus 6T. Okay? Because if it's compatible with the 6T, it should be. Disclaimer, it should be, right? I don't know, but it should be. So now we're going to try the Razer phone. But again, if there are dongles out there that you've already tested and they're working, that you've bought them through Amazon or anywhere else, leave that information down below, man. It helps all of us. The Razer phone dongle. Okay. Let's go back to this song. All right. The Razer phone dongle is working. The original 6T dongle is working. The Google Pixel 2 XL dongle is working. And my HTC U11 dongle is working. So I'm set up. But it still doesn't take away the fact that OnePlus should have included a dongle. And for all those companies out there putting out smartphones without a headphone jack, it's not going to cost you very much to include a dongle in the box. If it's between the dongle and the case, keep your case, give me a dongle. And that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless. I am out.